In this video, we will show you how to configure access control devices on the HikConnect portal in teen mode. This includes adding persons and credentials, adding access levels, and assigning access levels. Log into HikConnect portal, go to Person, and click on Add. Set the effective period, and confirm other necessary information. Enter the email address, and a temporary password will be sent to the person's email. You can upload the person's face image, card, or fingerprint. Click Add to successfully add the person. After adding persons, you can add access levels for them. Go to Access Control, Access Level, and Manage Access Level. Select the desired area and click Add. Set the access level name, select the door and set the access schedule. Click Add and the access level is successfully added. After adding persons and access levels, you can assign access levels. Go to Access Control and Access Level. Choose whether you want to assign the access level by person or department. For this example, we will select Assign by Person. Select the person you want to assign the access level to and click Assign Access Level. Choose the access level name and click Save. The access level is now assigned successfully. HikConnect, connected security, ready to go.